Hi ladies and gentlemen, I understand what is happening and I want to show you so we could better understand things while DJI doesn't offer any information when they update firmware to the world. They just tell you the general information. 20 seconds in, the camera will dim. It'll go down to say 30%. 20 seconds more, it goes down to another 30%. And then finally after that, the camera is going to go off. Notice the front screen is off already and the back screen is ready to go off. If you are file transferring, why would you want to have the back screen on at all? Wouldn't you want to have the front screen only on and dim and not shut off entirely? Some people are going to say, oh, am I charging? Am I fully charged? I used to have blinking lights. Now, if I press on the camera, should I just be back on the OTG webcam and cancel screen? Let's see. I'm going to tap it over here. Now you have to be careful where you tap your camera. If you incorrectly tap it and you tap it down here, you're going to cancel out and be on your camera. This is not a wake up. This is something that DJI must correct. Bring this back to the norm, the way the camera was. Let's disconnect off the computer. We are dimmed. I didn't ask for a dim. I am 100% brightness. If you disconnect, wouldn't you want this to go to the settings of your camera? In due time, this will go blank. It's called a screensaver. Nowhere in the camera do we have a screensaver. You won't get it dimming down right now, but in about a few minutes time you will. What I do want to do is wake the camera up. I do want to go to playback because this is the only way I could show you how it dims down and then entirely shuts off. I'm going to leave it as is, continue my talk, and then tell you there's a dim and then going to go off. When this dims down, after 5 minutes, because that's the default of the camera, another 20 seconds it dims down and then it'll shut off. If I'm outside on a bright sunny day, why would I want to have a screen like so? I can't see like so. The reason why DJI is doing this, one, Sony I have, they've done the screen where you can't see anything at all in sun. You want to see a brighter screen in the sunlight. Then what's going to happen? You have no control of screensaver and it's going to give you more battery use. You're going to have battery use, but now you can go grab your camera, do what you want. If you touch your camera by the palm of the hand, it goes on and continues to play where it wasn't playing. It was paused. So if I go into my camera and leave it like so, and I'm getting ready to set things up. If I start to touch things and I set things up and I'm happy the way it is, I'm good to go. But as I wanted to show you what else, this is the microphone. Maybe I'm not allowed to hit the microphone, but I'm in this. I understand that's the way they highlight things. Where is your omnidirectional sound? DJI thinks this is a field of view concern. What does field of view have to do with audio? So we're going to get off of the pro. It's not about a pro thing or anything like that. It's about having the camera, setting up, See what 20 seconds does, because sometimes it doesn't take 20 seconds to start to dim down. But if it starts to dim down in 20 seconds, you can go through your latest firmware and you can start to look for a screensaver. Did DJI miss a screensaver? Is it a glitch in the camera? Is it something that DJI is not telling us? Because right now I am idling. 20 seconds went by. It did not happen. So yes, it is an excellent concern indeed, because I'm trying to explain myself to a member online that is having his troubles with file transfers. And now we have troubles like so in a new camera that we didn't ask for. It may be improvements to you, but not an improvement to me when I have another camera like so that doesn't have that issue at all. But why is it not happening and dimming down now? The questions are up to DJI to say. Oh, we'll pass this to the relevant team.